Hey everyone, it's John Farrell from WellDatabase here again with some additional mapping features. Filters, mapping, combination filters is actually something that I am super excited about. Today, we're going to be talking about using shape files to create an AOI, something that, again, super simple, but is so helpful to do. So this will only take a minute. Let's hop back in. I'm in the Bakken area here. I'm going to open up my filters because that is really what we're trying to accomplish here. And I'm going to my area of interest. Now, for those of you who don't know, the map bounds is a area of interest filter by default. You can turn the AOI filter off altogether, and then the custom down here is where you would draw on the map before, but now you can import from a file. When I do that, go into my demo shapefile, I'm going to pull in the reservation shapefile. This is from North Dakota, so it's just going to be the North Dakota reservations. And you'll see we've got this awesome little picker here that's showing me all of the various shapes that are in this. Now, today we only do up to 5 shapes out of a single shapefile, and we might change that. So if you've got feedback and you need more, just let us know. But if I just want to click this one, it's going to tell me exactly what it is. I'm going to expand this window a little bit. I can click on multiple, as you can see. I can unselect them as well. For this purpose, I want to go to the Fort Berthold Reservation, since it's right in the heart of the Bakken. And I'm going to hit confirm my selection, and voila, there we go. 4,230 wells are right here. So as you can see, it is just dead simple to drop in a shapefile, be able to find the wells within those AOIs. So I did it with the reservation file, but so many times in deal flows, there is a shapefile of the acreage position. Having that makes this just super easy because you can drop that in, find those wells, then create one of our M&A projects, and you'll be off to the races. So just one more way that we're trying to make it fast and easy to find the wells that you need. So if you've got a shapefile and you want to find out the wells that are in those, just come to WellDatabase and we'll make your life easy. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.